Want to turn those essential oils that have been just sitting on your shelves into everyday essentials? Then this Falling Leaves roll-on is the perfect recipe for you. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, so let's get started on this month's recipe. Before I tell you what you need, we at Simply Earth are absolutely obsessed with teaching you how to create products with your essential oils. And this is why if you get our everyday essential oil themed recipe box, all of the ingredients for these recipes will be right there. Or if you'd rather go ahead and search on our website, you can find all of the ingredients there. Here's what you'll need for these recipes. You'll grab your recipe box and your big bonus box. From your recipe box, you're gonna grab your recipe card, your sticker sheet, and your essential oils. We are going to need our bergamot, hoe wood, and pine essential oils. From your big bonus box, you're gonna grab your fractionated coconut oil and your roll-on. And from your kitchen, you can grab your funnel. If you don't have a funnel at home, no worries, you will be able to get your ingredients into your roll-on bottle. All right, first step is you are going to grab your roll-on bottle and you're gonna take the roller out. Like so. We're gonna add our essential oils first. All right, the first essential oil we're gonna add is bergamot. We're gonna add 1 drop. Next, we're gonna add hoe wood, and we're gonna add 2 drops of hoe wood. And last but not least, we're gonna add our pine. We're gonna add 3 drops of pine. Right, I'm gonna swirl these around so that they're kind of evenly incorporated in the bottle. Next, I'm gonna add my fractionated coconut oil. All right, we're gonna fill it to the brim of the bottle. Add our roller in, put our cap on, and shake it. All right, this is ready to go now that I've swirled it a little bit, and we're gonna put our label on. All right, now that it's labeled, it's ready to be used. All right, I tested it out. It smells absolutely amazing. It makes me feel like I am walking through the woods on an autumn day. You can make this too. I love to see your creations, so make sure you take pictures of all the recipes you made from this month's box and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all those creations too.